So today I'm going to be sharing this Christmas tree sign that I made with Dollar Tree items. So if you're interested in seeing how I got here, stick around. So guys, I'm starting off with a piece of foam board from the Dollar Tree. Now I ended up using two because of the way I cut out my pieces, but I believe this project would only take one. Get two just in case. Also, I'll leave a link below that will take you to the download needed for the images that I will be using in this project. So if you head over to my website, you can download them for free and then follow along with the video. So once you get all of your pieces cut out, go ahead and glue your pieces to your foam board. Cutting through this foam board is so much easier using a hot knife. I will leave a link on my hot knife below in the description. Now this attachment on the hot knife was burning through the foam board pretty quick, and I wasn't sure if it was burning through to my table. So what I did is I decided to change the attachment on the hot knife to the utility knife, and then also put a piece of wood underneath. This cut so much better. It was more like a box cutter or utility knife when cutting through, but it just had the added benefit of being hot. And this is what you pretty much have. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to the other Christmas tree as well as the letters. Alright, so I have all of my initial pieces cut out. Now I'm going to need two of each of those pieces. So what I did is my cutouts from the foam board, I just put those back on the foam board and traced them with a pen, and then I cut everything out again with a hot knife. I have my letters and trees all cut now, but I still need to make the base of my sign. Now the sign is pretty big. It's as long as a piece of foam board, but it's only as wide as 1.5 inches. So foam board is wrapped in paper, and I decided to go ahead and remove the paper from the sides that would be glued so that I can make sure it's adhered correctly. All you have to do is just wet the foam board a little bit, and then that paper will buckle and you can just peel it right off. Paper is all removed. I go ahead and glue my double pieces together on, of course, the side that doesn't have the paper. Okay, so now I'm going to start assembling. I want my back Christmas trees to butt right up against the edge of the base, and then I just basically glue that down to the board. I use the picture on the printout as a guide to glue on the next Christmas tree. From there I started gluing on the letters. I want to make sure that each letter is glued to not only the base, but to the letter before and after it. That gives it a little more support. I wanted to make sure there was enough room between the two words to fit a Christmas ornament. Yep, I put my S on backwards, but I'll fix it later. Okay, so now I'm all done. I'm going to go ahead and take this ModPodge, and I want to cover the entire sign with the ModPodge just to seal it before I spray paint it so that the foam doesn't melt. And I'm making sure not to apply too much ModPodge because I don't want the paper that I left behind to start buckling and peeling off. I think I also noticed my S was backwards around this point, so I went ahead and changed that, and here we have it. So once the ModPodge dried, I went ahead and spray painted this all white. So now that my paint is all dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply glitter to the edges of basically the entire thing. So people, be warned, this glitter does get messy. So if you're not a glitter person, I suggest you use something else like markers or paint. Okay, once I was done, I used a paper towel, a wet paper towel, to clean off any excess glitter. So I let this dry overnight. It is the next day, and I am going to jazz the trees up just a bit. I'll be using these floral balls that I found at the Dollar Tree. They have glitter on them already, and then also pipe cleaners. And I couldn't decide between this present or a Christmas ornament to put in the middle there, but I ultimately decided on a Christmas ornament. So this little Foamball floral bouquet, I just basically pick the little balls off, and like I said, they're already silver and have glitter on them, so I pick off maybe about 20 little balls to use on my Christmas trees. So I'm going to measure out about 5 pieces of pipe cleaner going diagonally down the tree. I don't want these to wrap completely around the tree. I want it to just fit right along the side. And then I secure it with hot glue. Next, I take the little silver balls that I pulled off of that bouquet and I position them on the tree how I would want to see them, and then I glue them down. Then I repeat this pattern on the other Christmas trees, and you have this. So the hubs thought I needed a pop of color or something more to this, so I found this little green ornament that has a little snowflake, a silver snowflake, and I glued it right between the two words. And we're all done. Now I have to find somewhere to put this. But for now, it's gonna sit on my dining room table, and I must admit, I kind of like it here. What do you think? Guys, if you're gonna try this DIY, please leave a comment below, and then also tag me in any pictures because your girl is nosy. I wanna see. Also, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so that you don't miss any other videos that I will be posting. I am going to be posting some more Christmas videos, so you don't want to miss those. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for stopping by, and until next time, take care.